Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete page from a PDF file. Whether you are using free tools online or built-in software on your PC, let's go step by step so you can clean up your PDF exactly how you want. The first step is use the free online tools like Small PDF or I Love PDF. So this is the easiest method on no installation needed. So open your browser first, then go to the a site like smallpdf.com. Here you can see this, and the another site is the I Love PDF. Here you can see this. So first of all, to click the tools, and here you can see this, the tools on the top menu, and here you can see this, the more options: compress PDF, PDF converter, chat. Here you can see this, organize PDF, extract PDF, and here you can see this, the delete PDF page. So to click the delete PDF pages, and here you can see this delete pages from PDF. Now you choose the file, you can click, and here you can see where you have the PDF file, you can choose. So now my PDF file is on the desktop. Here you can see this. Now I can choose the PDF file and click open. I have 5 pages on my PDF file. You can see on my screen 1 2 3 4 5. Now I can delete the pages of PDF. Then you will see all the pages laid out as thumbnails, like, and click the trash can icon on any page you want to remove. Once done, then click apply or download and save your new PDF perfectly if you don't want to install any apps. Now then you can delete the number 3 pages. Here you can see, now I have 1 2 4 and 5. Number 3 number pages are removed. So now you can click the finish, and take some times download the new PDF files. Here you can see this, the 4 pages only, 1 2 3 4. And now click the download options. Perfect if you don't want to install any apps. The next method is use Microsoft Edge or a free PDF viewer. Limited editing. Microsoft Edge can view PDFs but not deleted pages directly. However, some free PDF viewers like PDF Exchanger Editor. Here you can see on my screen, do allow pages deletion. Download and install PDF Exchange Editor. I have already downloaded and installed this PDF Exchange Editor. Then open your PDF with it and go to the page tab or right click on a page thumbnail. Here you can see, and now I have opened my PDF file on it into the PDF Exchanger Editor. Then here you can see this, the delete options, and also right click, and here you can see the delete options. So now I can click the delete options and choose the page range and confirm. Here you can see this delete page and delete empty page. Now I can choose the delete pages. Yeah, here I have a page range one of 5 pages selected. Now you can change delete page, currently 1. Now here you can see the customs. Now I can delete the number of 2 pages, and here you can see this, and click OK and confirm. Then you can see this advanced feature is available in evaluation mode only and not covered by your existing license skill. So you can click yes, save the updated file and free and works offline. The next method is use Google Chrome workaround. Here's a clever trick using Chrome print feature. Open your PDF in your Google Chrome. Here I have opened in Google Chrome in my PDF, and then press Ctrl P, or you can choose this print options. So here you can click and you can see the print preview on the PDF file. Then under page you can choose the odd page only, even page only, and custom. Here you can choose the custom page only. Then enter only the page number you want to keep. For example, to remove pages 2, type 1 comma 3 to 5. So here you can see, and set destination, you save as PDF, and you can see this 1, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 2 number pages already deleted, and you can save, and it will create a new PDF without the unwanted pages. Works on any computer, no extra tools needed. Then save, click, and here I have choose this desktop. Then here you can see this. Now you can see the one, then I have 4 pages. So before deleting pages, make sure to save a backup of the original PDF, just in case you remove something by mistakes. And that's it. Now you know how to delete page from any PDF file, whether you are online or offline or using free tools. If this video helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.